Hello and welcome to Mr. Ranieri's excellent tutorial, where we will be learning how to harness the power of this magnificent program to do your budget, to solve your maths problems, to do AFL statistics, and just to get your life together. All sorts of things in this wonderful program, Microsoft Excel. To start with, this video will just set you up on how to just get it set up for this tutorial and these challenges so that you can submit them at the end. We're going to be doing our Excel work using Excel online rather than the program. You can actually use either, they both work great, but the reason I want to do it online is so that everyone will see exactly the same thing, and you won't get confused between Windows and Mac or Linux or whatever operating system you like. But how do you get the online version of Excel? That is a great question, and I'm glad that you didn't ask it. You visit office.com, office.com, and then you sign in. Okay, so we are in now. The reason that I got you to go to office.com was just because then it is very easy to click onto OneDrive, where we will be saving our Excel documents. So you open up OneDrive, you click on New, and you go to Folder. We are going to make a new folder, and because I'll be looking at all of your workbooks to mark them and see how you're going, let's all give them the same name of Excel Challenge and click Create. Now, although when I made Excel Challenge here, I just put it in the home folder of OneDrive, or the root folder, I suppose, you should put it in a folder that you've got for your subject. So however you're organizing your subjects, put it in a folder just for digital technologies. Anyway, once you have that folder, you can click on it. And of course it's empty. We made a new empty folder. Congratulations. So that I will be able to look at how you're going, let's share it with Mr. Ranieri. You click on share. Anyone with the link can view. That's great. And you're going to share it with Thomas Ranieri. Oh, there he is. Thomas Ranieri. And then click send. I actually don't know what this will do because I am Thomas Ranieri. Well, there you go. Apparently you can share something with yourself. So when, mum and dad say, well, you need to share your Easter eggs with your brother, you can say, I am sharing. I'm sharing with myself. That's silly. Don't worry about that. Link sent. Good. Mr. Ranieri has a copy. Now we're going to make our very first spreadsheet. And to do that, we will go new, and we're going to make a new Excel, I shouldn't say spreadsheet, I should say it is a workbook, an Excel workbook, because it can contain many sheets. Yay! Excellent! So what have we done so far? We have, number 1, we've logged into office.com. Number 2, we've gone to OneDrive. Number 3, we've made an empty folder. Number 4, we've shared it with Mr. Ranieri. And number 5, we now have a blank document in here. It will be important for all the work that you do to go into this Excel Challenge folder. Don't just copy it in there at the end. Make sure that you are working in this folder at the whole time. If I see you just drop a finished product in there at the end, that looks a little bit suspicious. You might not get the full marks for it. So you need to develop it as you go in this folder, just like we're doing now. All right, we are now set up. That is done for the first video. Join us next time where we will create our pretty weekly budget. Auf Wiedersehen!